Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix incorrect Instagram password on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Reset the network settings. First, launch the settings menu. In settings menu, tap on General. In General settings, swipe down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone network settings. Solution 2. Software Update. First, go to the Settings menu. In Settings menu, tap on General Settings. Now tap on Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 18. Solution 3. Update or offload Instagram application. To update the app, first go to the App Store. Then tap on Search bar at the bottom right corner of the page. Search for Instagram. Wait for a few seconds because it takes some time. Here, if any update is showing, then update it. And if no update is showing, then offload and reinstall your Instagram application once. For that, go back to the home screen and open the settings menu on your iOS device. Then tap on General Settings. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and tap on Instagram. In the Instagram menu, tap on Offload option. And tap on Offload to confirm that you want to offload your application. Offloading the app will delete the app, but your data such as your photos, videos, audios, documents will remain in your iPhone. Now wait for a while, then tap Reinstall button to install it again.